I haven't done trivia in a while, so let's go through some interesting and not so interesting trivia. We'll start with Colombian Thai. So you must have seen Narcos, and you must have seen how brutal they are. So one way of killing someone is to create a Colombian necktie, which means uh, the victim's tongue will be pulled out through a slit in his throat. So you can imagine the rest. So it's called Colombian necktie. Nelson Mandela might have been a lot of things, but he was also on US terror list until 2008. Uh, Officially was removed in that year. They just forgot to do the documentation, but he was earlier before that, before the independence of South Africa, he was on that terrorist list for a long time. The famous Trilla in Manila boxing match didn't actually take place in Manila. It took place in another Philippine city called Quezon City due to logistical reasons. But the ring Trilla in Manila stuck around for good. More than half of all sloths die because they have to leave their branch and come down to defecate. So there is a evolutionary reason for that. Why they do that? They can just drop, right? They can just take a dump from the branches, but they don't do that because of some reason, and it's related to some microbes and all. So they move, and because they are so slow, they end up dying. They end up getting killed by their predators. So half of them die because they have to take a dump. When Michael Phelps achieved his 13th gold medal, individual gold medal in 2016 at Rio Olympics, he broke a very old, very old Olympic record. That record was held on by Leonidas of Rhodes for 2,168 years. So Michael Phelps, that day, he broke 2,000 plus years old record. I got a lot of tattoos, and if I ever decide, which I won't, but if I ever decide to get them laser out, then what will basically happen is my white blood cells, they will help remove it, because the whole process works in such a manner that your ink passes through your skin and it stays under the dermis, like your layers of skins. So it stays there, and the only way to get rid of it is to break down the white blood cell. And once those are broken down, then they leave your body through your poop. There's no other way it can leave your body. So your entire tattoo, the ink will leave in your stool. Another shitty trivia for you. During Roman times, it was very common for the teachers to be slaves. So children were interested to slaves because they were slaves after all, and they had experience, and it was very normal for the education system to rely on slaves. Now, one way of looking at it is that things haven't changed yet. Muammar Gaddafi once owned shares in Juventus. This is back in the 80s, and yeah, it was back in the 80s, I think, when he owned shares in Juventus. Speaking of Gaddafi, there's a very interesting series on Netflix called Tyranny. I'm forgetting the actual title. It's called In Tyranny or Beyond Tyranny or something. Just search the word tyranny and it will show up. It's very brilliantly narrated by Peter Dinklage, and you'll learn a lot. Europe doesn't have any desert. There are no deserts on that mainland, but it has a lot of semi-arid places, patches of lands in countries like Italy, Poland, Serbia, Greece, and Spain. On the other side, USA has the highest number of deserts, and also interestingly, USA is also the world's biggest exporter of sand. and some of the countries that import the sand happen to be the Gulf countries, because the quality of sand required for construction is not found in those countries, so they depend on American sand. Elephants, as you know, depend a lot on their trunks, and interestingly, they have more individual muscles in that trunk than humans have their entire body. So their muscle, the whole structure is such that the trunk is so strongly built for maneuvering their entire life, right? Basically, Charles Dickens, as you know, famous English writer, he invited the Danish writer Hans Christian Andersen, and the idea was to invite him for a fortnight, but Christensen decided to stay for 5 weeks. Apparently, their friendship ended that day itself. Sierra Leone in Africa is the roundest country in the world. It's the closest you get to a circle. I wanted to add one thing about how the boundaries in America, if you see the states, a lot of the boundaries, especially in the southern side, you'll see that they're peculiarly perpendicular to each other, almost perpendicular to each other. So that is something very interesting. Otters, as you know, are very cute, and they hold the record for the highest density of hair on a mammal. So their body is entirely covered with fur. So no other mammal comes close. Interestingly, they are considered sacred in Zoroastrian religion, the ancient religion of Persia. And a group of otters is called a family when they are on land, but when they are floating on water, then they are called a raft. So the nomenclature changes according to their habitat. Lastly, George Washington, as you know, was the first American president, and in 1789, he was basically withdrawing a salary which was the equivalent of 2% of USA's GDP back then, the entire budget basically. So that is interesting. I think with that we've come to this session of trivia. We'll hopefully have more trivia in a few days or weeks time. If you want, do add the trivia that you want to share. Interestingly, the plural of trivia is trivia, not trivias, just like the plural of agenda is agenda, plural of feedback is feedback, plural of leave, like we take holiday leave, is leave, not leaves. Plural of data is data only. So yeah, on that very useful note, we'll hopefully see each other soon.